Right here, he's written a new song.
Die mij had?
May help make the British voice.
Nou, de vlaggen mooi.
Ja, we nemen de vlag mee, jazeker.
En dan even shit bij de...
Fries en Canadees, no better can it.
Nee.
Helemaal mooi.
En dan ga je dus nog veteraan, hè?
Ja, twa, hè? Ja, dat ligt erop. Komt hartstikke goed. Wie zult even goed aanmoedigen?
Zoveel mensen hier om ons heen. Wat doet dat met u?
Ja, nou ja, ik heb veel met geschiedenis en zeker met de Tweede Wereldoorlog. Mijn vader heeft hem nauwelijks overleefd. En het is heel belangrijk dat we met elkaar wel blijven herinneren wat er vroeger is gebeurd en waardoor wij nou in alle vrijheid kunnen leven en kunnen doen wat we kunnen doen.
Olga, het is een mooie drok, hè?
Het is fantastisch, ja, als je om je heen. Hè? Mooi waar, de dames gaan naar het jongen, we doen het volkslied en ze komen haast een oprijlaan op, dus we moeten er klaar voor wezen nou.
Ja, dat hoop je. Dat word je het meest mooi aan.
Nou, dat is mij een prachtige herinnering weer naar huis gaan en dat ze waarom zeggen toch, dit is een mooi feest. En ja, wij willen ze bedanken voor de bevrijding eigenlijk, dat is ons doel.
You're not here in Aldtsjerk. How overwhelming is it to have this entrance?
Well, we were here a couple of years ago into here, but I've been back here 21 times now since the end of the Second World War, you know. So it's always, every time you come in, you know, it's nice to see that the public come out, you know, and appreciate their freedom. Because that's what we're still trying to work on back home again, because they don't know what war is about like you know here. So it's always a pleasure coming back here because, you know, we actually from when we came in from the Normandy landing and all the way up to here, and we were 9 months in Holland, so we got to know the Netherlands people a lot more than we did through France and Belgium because we were here longer, you know. So, and plus the fact that a lot of the people came from the Netherlands back to Canada after the war, and the area where I live, which is south of Toronto, all the farms in that area are owned by the Netherlands.
All of them were Dutch, but look at the crowd. I mean, when you entered, all the flags waving.
What was that?
All the flags waving when you entered, the whole crowd, of course.
Yeah. So we don't get that at home, you know. We come over here and everybody appreciates what we done, you know. And the shame of it is, we're a lot less people on the ground now because when we came back here into Holland, this part, about 8 years ago, we had 18 guys with us. There's only 2 of us left.
You're one of the last Mohicans.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it was always a good part up here. And I remember because when we finished up in Germany after we went over the Rhine River, we came back up into Holland here waiting to go back to Canada. So we were here quite a while, you know.
Well, it's good to have you here.
Yeah, and we done a couple of victory parades in Amsterdam and then different cities, you know. And quite often when it was coming back every 5 years and doing a parade in Apeldoorn where all the Allies were there, you know. So it's always a pleasure to come back and the people here, they know where their freedom came from because of all the casualties you had in Holland as well, civilian and military. So they appreciate that, you know. And it's not always that case in North America, though.
Thank you.
You're welcome.